Hi, my glasses.
Do you like your glasses?
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, put my grand one.
You what?
I mean, put of him. I forget.
What did you forget?
I just forget my toy.
You what?
I'm gonna get them. Let's take it again.
Finally, after the longest time, we are going away. Nakapag-book na kami, guys. Well, actually, si Daddy Mike yung nakapag-book na ng flight and everything. Where are you going?
I'm going shopping from the restaurant.
When am I going to put the clothes back in?
The same plastic bag.
Mommy. Mommy.
Wow, you look so cute. You look so cute. Put it back on because it's very sunny outside. Careful, B. Put it properly.
Can you open the door, please, Paris?
Of course.
Of course.
Watch your step, please. Make sure she's still.
Ay, madilim ang paningin ka naka-sunnies. Go, go. It's okay. Mommy will
Watch
get
your step.
ready. Look where you're going, anak. Sunnies for more. Look at Mommy, babe.
Of course.
Look at Mommy. Hey, Josh. Lalayas na si Daddy, guys. Lumayas ka sa pamamahal ko. Magandang hapon, friends. It is Sunday afternoon and ayun si Daddy Mike nagbitbit ng mga plastic bag niya, guys. And Mommy is bitbiting this one. So ito yung fabric conditioner namin. So we are on our way to the laundry mat kasi guys, sobrang yung ano namin, yung labahin namin sobrang dami. Parang nagpapatunay lang talaga na sobrang dami naming damit. Hindi kami naglalaba, ganun. Hindi, kasi it's been raining. It's been raining, guys, kaya hindi kami makapag-ano sa labas. So, yung gagawin namin ngayon is maglalaba kami doon. Doon namin ida-dry. Where's my baba? Wow!
I burned one.
Huh?
I burned.
You burped?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Are you full?
There's a phone.
Oh, you're full. What have you been eating?
I've been eating that candy.
Candy?
This candy.
That's not candy, Anna.
Candy or good chocolate? Is it candy or chocolate one?
It's not candy. It's not chocolate. It is a wafer. Yeah.
Wafer or the wafer?
What's that fabric conditioner I need to bring?
Huh?
What's that fabric conditioner I need to bring?
Just this one. Oh, you have to go get the detergent powder. Nak, say hi. Say here, Nakbi. Here. Say hi, guys. Can you see yourself?
Yes. Hi, my glasses.
Do you like your glasses?
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, put my grand one.
You what?
I mean, put of him. I forget.
What did you forget?
I just forget my toy.
You what?
I'm gonna get them. Let's take it again.
Hi, Paris. I'm going now.
Stay there. I'll get it. No, it's alright, Nak. We can play with that one later, okay? We'll go wash our clothes first.
Okay.
Okay, good girl.
If I get my toy.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay. Iniwan namin si Daddy Mike doon sa laundry shop kasi kailangan niyang hintayin yung mga damit na mag-dry. So, umuwi kami ni Daddy Paris para makapagluto na rin ako ng hapunan. And we are going to cook rice for a change. Mag-rice tayo, guys. And then, nagpabili ako kanina kay Daddy Mike pagpunta niya sa shop ng salmon. Ayan. Yan yung lulutuin natin. Lalagyan natin ng magic sarap para masarap. Tingnan nyo ang aking dito, oh. Medyo May bump pa rin siya dito, guys. But thankfully, hindi na siya masakit. Umiinom pa rin ako ng yung antibiotic para mawala yung maga niya. But I don't need to take Panadol anymore kasi hindi na siya sumasakit. Kasi hindi na niya ako sinasaktan. Thank you, Lord. So hopefully back to normal na tayo very soon. Kasi alam nyo, ay, oo. Very excited to share it with you as well, guys. So finally, after the longest time, we are going away. Nakapag-book na kami, guys. Well, actually, si Daddy Mike yung nakapag-book na ng flight and everything. Although, hindi pa kami makakapagbiyahe internationally kasi hindi pa pwede, guys. Hindi pa kami makakaalis ng Australia. But, at least, makakapag out of state kami. So, di ba sa Victoria kami nakatira, Melbourne. So, next month, the 16th of April ata, we are going to Brisbane, Queensland for a week. So, I'm very excited, guys, kasi nga, diba, parang nakulong kami sa Victoria for so long, hindi kami nakakaalis. And finally, pwede na kaming makapagbiyahe. And then, Daddy Mike last week, nakapag-book na siya ng tickets namin. Yung round trip namin, and also, nakapag-book na rin ng hotels and everything. I'm super excited, guys, kasi apart from being excited na makakapagbiyahe na kami after the longest time, na-excite din ako kasi parang hindi kami nakaalis ng parang yung bakasyon ba with baby Paris. And also, ito rin din yung tinatawag namin ni Daddy Mike na Babymoon. So, alam niyo yun pagkatapos ng wedding honeymoon. So, ito ay sa pagbubuntis ni mami niyo. So, Babymoon. Last pregnancy kasi kay Paris, when I was 19 weeks pregnant, pumunta kami ng Malaysia sa Langkawi. So, we stayed there for 2 weeks ata. And, sobrang relax lang, guys. Beach lang kami. And, relaxing time lang talaga. But this time, unfortunately, hindi tayo makakalabas ng bansa. So, napag-isipan ni Daddy Mike, nasa Queensland na lang kami. Kasi at the same time, magre-relax kami, but at the same time, parang titingin-tingin kami ng area. Kasi nga, diba, yung plano namin na bibili tayo ng bahay doon, mag-move kami doon towards the end of the year. Fingers crossed when everything is well. Yeah, para makita natin yung area and para may feeling din tayo na kung ano yung magandang area na terhan and all. And also, mamimit natin yung mga relatives natin doon na hindi natin na-meet ever since. So, I know may tiyuhin ako, guys, and may mga pinsan ako sa Brisbane na hindi ko sila nakita for sobrang tagal na. Like, seriously. 4 or 5 years na ata. Yeah. Hindi ko sila nakita for that long. And then, may mga relatives din ako, yung matiyahin ko, and yung parang kapatid ng lolo ko.
Mama, please.
What? You're a police?
Yes.
Come here, my little police. Nandun sila nakatira sa Brisbane, guys, and hindi ko pa sila na-meet in person talaga. Yung, yeah, some of my aunties nandoon. So, super excited kasi parang
making me for Elsa?
Yeah, I'm making you Elsa food.
Yummy.
Yummy.
But, Mom, why are you making mine?
I'm making Elsa food.
Why making mine?
Salmon.
Salmon?
Yes. Are you
Wow.
gonna eat Elsa food? Are you gonna eat Elsa food?
Yes, I want that.
Are you a police?
Yes.
Are you gonna catch me?
Yes.
No, I'm not naughty. I'm a good girl.
Quick.
I'm a good girl. You shouldn't catch me. Are you excited not to get on a plane? Are you excited?
And I'm excited to get my phone in my plane.
Ito siya, guys. Naghahanap ng kanyang phone. Kasi nga, di ba, yesterday, we went to Jake's birthday party. So, nung binilhan ng daddy niya si Jake ng birthday present, binilhan din niya si Paris ng telephone.
We're better to Jake. Happy birthday.
Ay, shush. Naiwan niya sa tita Jess niya. Kaya hinahanap niya. Sabi ko, hanapin ni tita Jess and then she'll give it back to you. Ayan. Pero asa na nga ba ako yung sa tita ko, guys? Oo, may mga tiyahin ako, tiyuhin doon na hindi ko pa na-meet before. So, very exciting. Tinawagan ko na yung tito ko, guys. Sabi ko na, dating kami ng Friday. Ng, lunch break yata. Lunch break. Lunchtime. Lunch break naman. Tapos sabi niya, maybe yung, eldest daughter niya, baka walang uni daw. Pipick upin daw kami sa, sa airport. Para hindi na kami But, parang sinet na namin na darating kami ng Friday, but then Saturday and Sunday, parang i-spend namin yung time together. We'll see how it goes. Wala pang plano kung ano yung gagawin namin. But yan yung plano. And then the rest of the time, nandun kami sa Brisbane, guys. Yung binook ni Daddy Mike na hotel ay sa city talaga. So, well, go around the city. And then, I think the final days doon, pupunta kami ng Gold Coast. So, we'll take Paris to Movie World, ganun. So, yun yung plano, guys. We'll take Paris to Sea World. We'll see how it goes. But I think at least 3 days kami doon sa Gold Coast para may magawa kami doon. So, super exciting talaga, guys. Like, very, very exciting talaga. It'll be more exciting for me. Alam niyo yun, kapag sa Pilipinas, kasi namimiss ko na yung family ko. Gusto ko na silang makasama, but unfortunately, at the moment, we can't do anything, guys. We're not allowed pa man. We'll just follow the rules, and hopefully soon, makakapagbiyahe na tayo internationally. Kasi at the moment sa Victoria naman, guys, 0 cases na kami for a while now. It's for COVID-free, so fingers crossed. Hopefully, God, magpatuloy na tong magagandang pangyayari ngayon. Ayan. So, there you go. Yan yung ating salmon. Si Daddy Mike, tatawag lang yun siya, guys, kapag ready na yung ready na yung mga damit na dry na. We will just cook rice. Kasi rice is life. Rice with salmon. Diba? Taog na. Oh, you princess?
No, I'm Elsa.
Are you Elsa?
No, I'm Anna, mine.
Okay, Anna. So, should you tell Tito Vic? Here's Anna. Shush! Are you Elsa using
No, I'm not
Elsa?
I'm Anna. She's like home.
Oh, okay.
Not the friend, see. Came out delicious like the queen. So when it's hurry down, sign. Okay, pain dry. Tomatoes. I like the dress, I like my dress.
You like your dress?
Yes.
Sabi let Mama cook na, be.
Mommy.
We have to pick up Daddy soon. Are we gonna eat, okay? Huh? We're gonna eat dinner too, okay?
Mommy, look at that, Mommy.
Where's your food, man? Hello, guys. Anong oras na nga ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. But, I just finished my dinner. And, may isang bata dyan, oh. Hala, very messy yan siya, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Nanonood siya ng kanyang Kuya Justin, guys. Oh, amiga. Ganda talaga ng boses nito niya, guys, no? Oh my God. He's in Australia sa ang tawag dito, nung audition siya sa, guys, X Factor ata yun. Nakita ko talaga. Years ago. But yeah, love his voice. Ayan, Nak, are you watching Kuya Justin? Yung kuya mo lang, kuya? Sorry guys, I missed guys. We will clean that later on. Naglalaro pa kasi ang ating bata-batuta. And here's the result ng ating paglalaba kanina. Huy, ang bra na nilip. Ayan. Ating tutupiin ngayon. Off muna natin yung TV guys kasi kumakanta si Kuya Justin Baby Paris at baka makapiright tayo. So what I was saying is, ito yung ating nalabhan. So 2 plastic bag, tingnan nyo. Sobrang dami talaga. Tutupiin natin to ngayon while Daddy Mike is washing the dishes. Yes, sobrang bait talaga ni Daddy Mike guys. So siya yung naghuhugas ng pinggan ngayon. Narinig niyo guys. Naka-earphone kasi siya nagpa-Spotify. Kaya akala niya parang mahina lang yung boses niya. But lanog-lanog. Wala. Anong kinakanta niya? Parang chandelier yata. Nak, what's Daddy singing? Wait, what's Daddy singing? Wait, hala doon po rin na mouth. Anak! Hala, that the witch will take your teeth. Anak, the witch will take your teeth if you eat that. Don't put that in the mouth, okay?
No, I just my teeth.
Yeah? That's not good. If you put that in your teeth, the witch will come tonight and will take your teeth.
Why?
Because it's not supposed to be in your mouth.
The my teeth will hurt. And which take my teeth. So my teeth will hurt.
That's right, yeah. You have to go in the bathroom and brush your teeth and get ready for bed, huh? Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
But I like a both. Like red, like this, already.
Okay, make a bowl. And i-end na namin yung vlog dito guys because you know na it's already 9:20 pala. Uy. And we'll get ready for bed and then work na naman bukas, but we're working from home tomorrow because it's Monday. Yeah, so we will just do a quick shout out guys. As always, thank you for always watching our video. Kahit minsan hindi na tayo excuse me. Hindi tayo nakakapag-upload every day like before guys kasi alam nyo naman medyo mahirap yung schedule ni mami nyo, but I appreciate your time commenting on our videos, watching our videos guys. Okay, parang nalunok ko yung aking laway. But yeah, ayan. So our first shout out goes to Retes, Wendelina Bernabe, Pia 25.
Mommy, can I have water inside?
Water, here's the water. Ano?
There's water inside?
Yeah. Jonah Reese, Teresa Ortega, Cecile Regalado, Joanne Uano, Lenny Torres, Melody Lastimosa, Melit Eribal, Alina Arisoles, Lenny Torres, Edita Cañada, Novera Yoli, Josephine Sustiger, Rinar May Ricoverta, Alicia Lacorte, Prema Perez, Cherry May Ongayo, Hannah Sarmines, Net Asuncion, Efigenia Zarate, Hilasca, Feli Lamparo, Fe Mamalio, Paulina Quines, Victoria Halandoni, Queen Alvarez, Maria Teresita Cortez, Amy Magallanes, and Puni Morada. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Have a bye.
flying kiss din ako.